Alexa, turn off my bedroom.
Okay.
To get started, open the hatch on the camera and insert the 4 batteries that were included in the box. Plug your Ethernet cable into the base station and Wi-Fi router. Plug your base station into a power outlet. Setup could take up to 2 minutes. Adjust the antennas on the base station. Ensure the camera is within 2 feet of the base station. Press the button on the base station and then the camera's sync button. Hold the sync button on the camera for 6 seconds. The LED light will flash blue during this process. The camera will stop flashing blue once it is synced. You may add a total of 6 cameras to the base station while it is flashing blue. In your EasyViz app, select the plus sign on the top right to add your Mini Trooper base station. Select Scan QR Code. Proceed to scan QR code, which is on the base station Quick Start Guide. Select Add to connect your base station. Set up your time zone and date format. To proceed, select View Camera. For the best experience, please make sure to update your firmware to the latest version.
I just got the TouchJet Wave. It turned my TV into a smart touchscreen that can do pretty much anything. Bam! Stream any movie. You can download any app from the Google Play right onto the Wave. You can check sports, news, social media, listen to music, search for things, learn stuff, control your home, and play all your favorite games, only much bigger and better.
We are going to take a look at the Spectre project next.
People in our office love it.
Great work, everybody.
It gets them out of their chairs, collaborating like never before.
Windows to the south side of
The Wave also has a mobile app.
That's a great idea. Amy, can we pull up the window treatment?
You can swipe files, photos, and videos from your handheld device right to the TV. And no need to sweat compatibility issues. Any Android or Apple device will do. It's super easy to use and gets kids playing together in a whole new way.
I think it's Uncle Andy's turn.
I think your parents want you to play something a little more educational anyway.
Navigate right from your phone. You'll be amazed at how quickly it changes your world. Friends, office, family, the TouchJet Wave brings people together in any situation.
Hi, we are TouchJet. About a year ago, we crowdfunded the world's first touchscreen projector. We're happy to say that we've already shipped thousands of units all over the world to backers just like you. Now, we're back to crowdfund TouchJet Wave, the ultimate entertainment device that turns your television into a touchscreen smart TV.